without having to reinstall Windows, without having to reinstall drivers, without having to do any of that stuff, I'm going to show you how to fix the no type issue on the Surface Pro. Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to another video. So if you have recently bought a Surface Pro 12th edition, it could be a new one, it could even be an old one. I'm not sure if this is an update glitch or hardware issue or just the way that it comes out of the box with the new Windows or whatever the issue is. Basically, if you're having problems typing, so you've set it up or you've just come out of an update or you've changed something and you don't know what you've changed and the keyboard isn't working like this, which I'll show you now. For instance, if we go to any bar up here, so we click up here and we start trying to type. Look at that. Nothing is happening. We're not typing. So what's going on? So without having to reinstall Windows, without having to reinstall drivers, without having to do any of that stuff, I'm going to show you how to fix the no type issue on the Surface Pro, where the keyboard isn't working essentially. So it's actually pretty simple. It's down here and it's living down here evilly. Make sure to subscribe, by the way, guys. If you're following this, make sure to sub. Click the arrow here and you will see a sneaky little guy down here, which is called filter keys. Let's see if we can open that. So if we open filter keys, which you can access up here too by typing filter keys, but you won't be able to type it if filter keys is on, then filter keys set the sensitivity of the keyboard so it can ignore brief or repeated keystrokes. But I think there's a glitch at the moment or something, or maybe there's a shortcut on the keyboard. I've tried pressing shift for 8 seconds, but that actually didn't do anything. And no matter how hard you type these keys, nothing comes up. So it might be a glitch, but if you guys know any different or how to actually set sensitivity on that, then great. But this is for people who are struggling and it doesn't work. And this is basically just how to turn it off. So filter keys here, it doesn't really make you think that it would be responsible for this. But if we go over here and we actually just simply turn off filter keys like that, and we go back, now we can type. Voila, there we go. And if you'd like to thank me, then please make sure to sub, like the video, and comment your experience with whatever Surface Pro you have at the moment. But yeah, guys, thank you very much for watching. That's it. It's as simple as that. If you guys have any ideas or any other fixes, leave it down in the comments. And just as a last note, if you guys didn't catch what I said in terms of getting to it, because if you try to type filter keys in sentence, it's not going to come up. You can simply, wherever it was down here, you just double click it. So just double click, that should work with filter keys even on, and then it will take you to that settings page. But if not, it is in accessibility. It is in accessibility for the keyboard, so it's in keyboard accessibilities. So there we go, see, keyboard accessibilities, and then filter keys up here. So yeah, guys, that's the video. Make sure you guys have a great day, and I hope all your technical compute needs are fulfilled.